presidential pardon and release of 175 prisoners may be framed as an act of mercy and national healing, it raises serious questions about justice, accountability, and the psychological well-being of those who stood on the side of the law. For many Nigerians, this decision seems to undermine the painstaking efforts of law enforcement agencies that risked their lives to apprehend, investigate, and prosecute these offenders. Huge sums of public funds, manpower, and years of legal processes may now appear wasted. But beyond the institutional loss, there lies a more personal and often ignored dimension: the emotional and psychological toll on witnesses and officers who played key roles in bringing these criminals to justice. Witnesses, especially in a country like Nigeria where witness protection remains weak or almost non-existent, are likely to live in fear. Many of them may now be gripped by anxiety and trauma, knowing that the same individuals they testified against have regained their freedom. The fear of retaliation is real, as criminals, particularly those with violent or organized backgrounds, are often known not to forgive easily. This situation can lead to heightened stress, sleepless nights, relocation from their communities, or even social withdrawal due to fear of being targeted. For law enforcement officers, prosecutors, and security operatives who risked their safety to ensure justice was served, this development may come as a moral and emotional blow. It sends a message that their sacrifices can be easily overturned by political decisions, eroding their sense of purpose and trust in the justice system. Officers who arrested or investigated these individuals may now live with the fear of being recognized or hunted down by those they once apprehended. Psychologically, this undermines public confidence in the rule of law. It discourages future witnesses from coming forward, knowing that their cooperation may eventually lead to personal danger rather than justice. The long-term effect is a society where silence becomes safer than truth, where crime flourishes under the shadow of political pardon, and where citizens lose faith in the justice process. While mercy is a virtue, it must be balanced with justice, deterrence, and protection for those who risked everything to uphold the law. Any act of clemency must therefore be accompanied by strong measures to guarantee the safety and well-being of witnesses and enforcement officers. Otherwise, the state risks turning compassion into a weapon that endangers the very people it swore to protect.